As the year draws to a close, it's the perfect time to wrap up your financial goals with finesse and start the next chapter on the right foot. Get extra ready by grabbing my free stock market investing course. The link is nestled right there in the description, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity to supercharge your investing knowledge. Now, let's delve into some money tips for year-end. It's like tidying up your financial house to ensure a fresh start in the new year. Review your financial goals. First things first, take a moment to reflect on your financial goals. Are they still on track? Do you need to adjust them based on your current circumstances? This step sets the stage for your financial game plan in the coming year. If you have a tax-advantaged retirement account, consider increasing your contributions. It not only reduces your taxable income for the year, but also sets you up for a more secure future. Tax planning. With year-end approaching, it's an excellent time to explore potential tax-saving strategies. This might include tax loss harvesting, making charitable donations, or optimizing your deductions. Consult with a tax professional to make the most of your situation. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's move on to the next set of tips to ensure you're ending the year on a financial high note. Debt check. Take stock of your outstanding debts. If you can, make extra payments to reduce high-interest debt. It's a great way to start the new year with less financial baggage. Emergency fund boost. Ensure your emergency fund is healthy. Having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stashed away can provide peace of mind in uncertain times. Budget for the holidays. Don't let holiday spending derail your financial plans. Create a budget for gifts, travel, and festivities and stick to it. And there you have it, Financial Champions, a roadmap to make the most of the year-end and set yourself up for financial success in the coming year. Before you embark on your year-end financial journey, don't forget to grab that golden opportunity. The link to the free stock market investing course waiting for you below. If these tips struck a chord with your financial goals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until our next enlightening adventure, happy year-end financial planning, and may your financial future shine as bright as the year ahead.